Pharmaceuticals. Jared, great to have you with us. Okay, so it's out of this CR, but the clouds are far from dissipated from this group. So in terms of the bipartisan legislation that would cause them to separate PBMs from pharmacy businesses, in terms of the potential regulatory scrutiny because of the murder of this United Healthcare CEO, I mean, is that all there? Is that a concern to investors? Because I'm seeing more and more analysts come out and say, you know what, UNH is a top pick for 2025. The fundamentals look great. The valuations look great.
Right. Well, I'm not surprised at that at all. I mean, it always comes down to valuation for a lot of the analysts, and they're looking at it like they're getting a really good deal on a stock that usually performs well. It's really tough to argue with that, but at the same time, so much noise. I don't really feel like the PBM problem has been solved, especially if the bill winds up not going through, which it sounds like it's not. Clearly, the government has it out for this complex of names. As Trump has articulated already, this was really not his bill to begin with. So I think the noise does not dissipate into next year, and we're in for probably a long road from here.
I thought also interesting is the specific pressure that we've seen this week on Humana because of this report about the exposure that Humana has to veterans' health care. So basically their Humana Honors program. And if the government starts to look for efficiencies and cost cuts, that could be a place.
Yeah, that was mentioned a couple of days ago. The stock got hammered.
Yeah.
There's really not that much that's known about this. It's a newer item. It's tough for me to see the government really going against the VA in such a harsh way that would take away benefits or limit them. So I'm really not sure where that stands. But again, just another headwind, another news item that the sector doesn't need.
Okay. Meantime, the FDA affirming today that the active ingredient in Eli Lilly's GLP-1 drug, tirzepatide, is not, in fact, in shortage. And it is telling the compounders to stop compounding this drug come March 19th. And that is a longer period than what is federally mandated. So they're giving them a grace period. But still, this would, in theory, be good news for Eli Lilly. But the stock was not higher on this news, Jared.
Stocks have been brutal. I mean, Lilly and Novo have lost all the momentum they had earlier this year. It's really been a very tough stretch, the last 3 months in particular. I think like the supply-demand metrics that we look at continue to favor the companies, just not enough. Clearly a good headline for Lilly today, and I think that Novo's will come in time. We've got a situation now with Hims and other companies in terms of can they compound, can they not? Does this, is there any reversal here at any point? But I was surprised to see the stock down. Then again, pharmaceutical stocks in general have been super weak.
Yeah. With the closure of the Catalent deal, do you think semaglutide will come off the shortage list as well? Because that would be another. I mean, Hims actually does not sell compounded tirzepatide, and yet the stock, we saw the reaction today's session. So imagine if semaglutide comes off the shortage list.
Right. Yeah. I think the Catalent facilities, it's tough to know exactly when they're going to get online and producing these drugs at scale, but it's just a matter of time.
All right. And then we want to touch on Vertex. It has a painkiller drug in trial. But the results showed that the placebo group had the same sort of results as the drug group, which is always disappointing in a trial. Right.
I mean, these pain trials are always hit or miss. The stock had a lot of value for the pain category and still has some. They have a drug for acute pain. They're working on this chronic drug in other indications aside from what they reported today. So it's not dead in terms of the viability of this asset to make it to market. But I think the way that investors were looking at it was a blockbuster drug, and now it just might be more niche-y.
So is this an adjustment for that smaller TAM?
I think the value for Vertex, to me, excluding the pain category, is in the $350 to $400 range. I think that's where I shake out, and a lot of other analysts seem to as well. So it's obviously trading towards the higher end of that, so there's still some optimism here.
All right, Jared, thanks. Good to see you. Jared Holz.
Thank you.